Lecture 11, Drying. Drying is a reduction in moisture content from an initial amount to an acceptable form, EMC, which is equilibrium moisture content. Importance: improve flowability and substance handling, stabilize moisture sensitive drugs as aspirin or vitamin C, ascorbic acid. EMC is equilibrium moisture content. If any material exposed to air, it will either lose or gain water until equilibrium. This point of equilibrium is called EMC. Moisture may be bounded moisture in EMC. Its vapor pressure less than that of free water, and it is retained in small capillaries and absorbed on the surface or as a solution in cell wall. Free moisture, water in excess of EMC, which we will evaporate and dry the material from it. Factors affecting drying process: temperature, increased drying, surface area, increased drying, increased type of material, porous or non-porous like talc or zinc oxide. Types of bed is maybe static bed drying. The material to be dried is static while the hot air is moving above it, or moving bed drying. The material to be dried is moving inside the hot air, so the drying occurs from all surfaces. It has very fast drying rate. Number one, batch dryer, tray or shelf dryer, or hot air oven like this. Factors: it operates by passing hot air over the surface of wet solids in trays. Thermal efficiency of air is improved by recirculating the air over heaters. Temperature humidity change. The incoming air at point A is heated to B, then passed to the trays and dry the material we want to dry. Advantage: it's simple, cheap, and can be used for storage. Disadvantage: require large surface space, high labor, long drying time. Solvents can be recovered from the dry air. Variable temperature, used for thermostable only, not used for dusty material. Used for thermostable granular material, individual articles like flask or beakers. Vacuum tray dryer, heated indirectly by steam and used for thermolabile due to vacuum steam. The condenser is placed between oven and vacuum pump to protect vacuum pump from condensate and recover the solvents. The presence of double receiver allow continuous vacuum operation during each batch. During each batch receiver operation, E is open and the condensate drains into the lower receiver. Freeze dryer or lyophilizer or lyophilization. When external pressure around ice is less than its vapor pressure, sublimation occur. So, the most suitable working condition is temperature minus 10 degrees centigrade, at which vapor pressure is 0.3 millimeter mercury. Operation: thermolabile material is placed over the trays and the refrigerant decrease the drying chamber to minus 10, while vacuum is operated to reduce chamber pressure below 0.03 mercury. When the chamber pressure is less than ice vapor pressure, sublimation occurs by time temperature is reduced to minus 30 and vapor pressure decreased to 0.0 millimeter mercury. At this point, heater is operated to increase temperature, provide ice with latent heat for sublimation. The final product is a sponge-like residue and can be dissolved rapidly. It will be very hygroscopic. Application: used for thermolabile material like protein, plasma, antibiotics, vaccines, tissues, serum, and dehydration of bacteria. Many commercial products, when the rapid dissolution of solubility is an important issue, like Fildine flash tablet, Claritine, Motilium, Adenoplex, Aspagic vial, and Leomycin ampoules. Freeze drying is expensive process used with precious and thermolabiles only. Fluidized bed dryer, we talk about it previously. Principle: if the hot air is allowed to flow upward in sufficient velocity through a bed of solid particles to render the solid suspended in air. We talk about it in size enlargement. Advantage: short drying time, less floor capacity, uniform temperature through the oven. The final dried product is free flowing, spherical in shape, like pellets. Mixing may be done during drying. The free movement of particles eliminate the risk of soluble material migrating to surface as mottling. We talked about this previously. It can be used in mixing, drying, granulation, pelleting, and film coating. Tumbling dryer or indirect moving bed. This is tumbling dryer. It is double cone with a double jacket heated by steam working under reduced pressure at variable speeds. Normal charge is 50 to 60% of total volume. Can be used for mixing as well for drying. So it's called mixo dryer. Disadvantage: not used for waxy material due to aggregation, need size reduction. Factors affecting rate of drying: vacuum, temperature, rotation, speed. Used for as advantage: used for thermolabiles. Solvent can be recovered. Moving bit, so decreasing drying time. Continuous dryers like pneumatic dryer or flash dryer. The drying time is 3 to 4 seconds only, so it's called flash dryer. Flash dryer. It can be used for thermolabiles, of course. Spray dryer or moving bed dryer, spray dryer. Principle: the fluid solution slurry is dispersed as fine droplets into moving hot gas stream, so it is rapidly evaporated and dried. The atomizer may be pressure atomizer or spray nozzle or disk atomizer. There is a comparison between them. Pressure atomizer used for solution and thin paste may be clogged, not for suspension or thick paste. Must operate at fixed condition, depend only on applied pressure. Used in Swenson spray dryer with standard spray dryer. But disk atomizer used even for thick paste, operated under variable condition, used at instant spray drying, rotate at high speed. Swenson spray dryer. Instant spray dryer, which is used in Nescafe, manufacture of Nescafe. Standard spray dryer. General advantage of spray dryers: a short time, from 2 to 20 seconds. The product is hollow spherical particles with good flowability. Dry material is obtained from solution or slurry in one step. Used for dried milk, soap, citric acid, borax, gelatin, and acacia. Turbo shelf dryer is the final device. It is used for too sticky or too viscous substance, used for fragile crystals, not used for fibrous material. The product is transferred from one shelf to another after one revolution. Advantage: self-cleanable, adjustable to varying feed rates. Moving bed can work from temperature 60 Fahrenheit to 1200 Fahrenheit. Thank you.